Well, this morning I've been speaking to the conference here in Cardiff about the Auditor General's Picture of Public Services report, which he published just at the end of 2015. That talks about the need to transform public services, but against the backdrop of continuing austerity the last 5 years, and again in 5 years to come, there's a lot of change in terms of expenditure pressures. And that need to transform services is going to require public services across Wales to be working together, breaking down organisational boundaries, overcoming some of the governance and accountability issues, and really looking to deliver what the citizen in Wales is seeking to receive. One of the other major changes that's affecting Wales is the advent of fiscal devolution, with tax raising powers being transferred to the Welsh Government. It's small scale at the moment, but there's the prospect of more to come, potentially possibly local income tax devolution in part as well. And this presents both challenges and opportunities. There are challenges around establishing a Welsh Revenue Authority and the mechanics for collecting taxes, but there's also some real opportunities in terms of aligning fiscal policy with the wider policy objectives of the Welsh Government, particularly around the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act.